So we're doing a 36-inch Doall vertical bandsaw, 36 inches the throat. We'll walk around and we'll go through everything. The grinder. It's the back control panel. There's your data tag. Came from Doall. Model serial number. This is a DC motored machine, so got all the prints. Took the back cover off. Here's the covers over here. So here's inside. Here's what you got.
Motor, compressor for the air drive, gearbox there. Belt looks good.
Yeah, so that's the whole.
There's even a solenoid there to lock in your speed, keep this from moving, keep your drive shaft from moving. Got a few extra bells and whistles.
Yeah, nice setup. Deluxe, they get anything they wanted. What's in the front? Is that the chip box underneath the door here? What do you got here? Blade, table with the degrees for the tilt, chip box right there. All right, you get your high-low. Here's your speed control.
It's all electric.
Table looks like close to new. All the grind marks from the original manufacturing still on there. Blanchard round table.
The rubber on the wheel looks good. No cracks, no nothing in that.
Guides freely. Guides look good. All right. Let's power up, run through some speeds, cut a little sheet metal, see how she does.
So we're in low right now. High speed low. We're at 300.
Where's the indicator show you?
So right down here at 300, I imagine.
So when you turn that, what did you just do? You're going down in speed to... How do we know what speed we're at?
So you're gonna point
Oh, okay. So that's the low speed range. Is the top number?
I'm not positive on that.
So you got high speed, low speed.
Meters per minute.
Oh, okay. Okay, the high speed range is on the outside. Low speed range is on the inside. That's your rabbit. And snail. And then you got metric, and the two numbers are metric and feet per minute. Okay, in English. All right, so you're on the inside, you're in low speed, you are about 200 feet per minute. Just a little over. Right there where you're pointing, you're probably like 205. All right, run that thing around the dial a little bit. You were up pretty high, let's go down low.
This is next up. This blade's not even moving right now. You're at about 0. There's 25. I mean, it's real
Fairly
precise.
nice. Yeah. You got supreme control over this blade speed, I'll say that. All right, let's shift her into high range. Okay. Just crank it up a little bit. All right. So you're probably somewhere 285-ish, give or take, according to that dial. All right, let's drop. Let's go into high range with this guy.
You're gonna turn it off.
Okay.
And if you can't get to shift, what I was doing is I'd pop this door open, give this kind of a turn. There you go. So now we're in low.
High.
Or high, excuse me.
Yep. We were in low, now we're in high. All right.
Torquey. So this is going to be. We'll turn it back. I
Yeah,
think we can
yeah.
do that right off the go because it might want to.
I don't want to jump it too crazy. So now we're in the high speed range. If you're looking at this in feet per minute, you're 1,500? I don't know, where are you pointing? Yeah, you're a little over 1,000, okay. Oh yeah. Yeah.
That's on the low end. That's 3 times the speed. You're up to 3,000.
There's 3,000. You're actually hearing the weld in the blade, that tick, tick, tick. That's the actual where the blade, there's a lot of blade material where the blade's joined by the welder. All right, so we'll dial this guy up a little bit. There's 4,000. There's like 4,500. That's pretty darn fast.
I don't think the saw has seen much use.
No, this thing looks and smells and feels like it hasn't been used much. All right, that's the show. Got any questions? Give us a call. Thanks for watching.